We're going to do complex relationships between values. The mathematically related values studied so far have involved one operation, but sometimes more than one operation can be involved. So before, you had two letters, X and Y, maybe being added or subtracted or multiplied, but now we're going to combine them. We're going to have something multiplied and added. We're going to do multiple things now. Okay, so we have, I would actually write this down just a second here. All right, Julia is 3 years less than twice the age of Christina. And so we need to come over here and write the two people we have. We have Julia and we have Christina, okay? We need to pick a variable for one of them. Either a J for Christina, or, a J for Julia or a C for Christina, okay? And we're not going to have a letter for both of them, just one letter, okay? And so, what we need to do here, let's read what they say here. There are two values here, Julia's age and Christina's age. That's why we put both of them. The expression compares Julia's age to Christina's. So represent Christina's age with a single variable C. So what does it says? This expression compares Julia's age to Christina's age, because it says Julia is. And so when you have Julia is, then it's going to be best for you to put an expression here and use the other person's, okay? All right, so Julia is 3 years less than twice Christina's age. So what's the 3 years less mean? 3 years less mean?
3 minus.
Yes. And so, but be really careful because that less was one of those ones we had to go backwards for. It wasn't, right. It was minus 3 instead of 3 minus. Right. So we're going to do twice Christina's and the less 3. Okay, all right. And so we have them both under here. And when you're doing your quiz, it's going to be, or test or homework, it's going to be big. You're going to write this a little bigger. You'll have two pieces, and you'll write them underneath each other. Okay. Let's do another one. Let me pause, and we'll write it in here. All right, Carla is twice as old as Sue, and Renee is 5 years older than Carla. So we have 3 people here. We have Carla, Sue, and Renee. So we're going to write them out. Carla, Sue, and Renee. Okay. Carla is twice as old as Sue, and Renee is 5 years older than Carla. And so, who is the one we're comparing them all to?
Carla. No. Yeah.
Yes. So if we do Carla here, a C. And if we say Carla is twice as old as Sue.
2S, right?
And Renee is... All right. Carla is twice as old as Sue. We'll just stop there for a minute. We said when we had the is, we didn't use the one that was the Carla is. We used Sue as our variable. Okay?
Right.
And I tried to make it curvy so it doesn't look like a 2 or 5. And so then it says Carla is twice this. It's twice that. So we're going to do 2S. Then we come to Renee. Renee is 5 years older than this one. And older just means we're going to add 5. So we have the 2S plus 5. Okay? All right. Now, if you're doing a homework or a test and you might just put some numbers in here. So if you just said that this was 6, that would mean that Carla's 12. And that would mean that Renee is twice that, plus 5.
So 29.
Yes. Okay, let's make sure this works. Carla is twice as old as Sue. Is that true? Mm-hmm. Renee is 5 more than Carla. Is that true? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so sometimes all these letters get confusing, but if you put some numbers in, it might help. Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of a widespread age.
It is a kind of a widespread age, huh? All right, let's do another one. I'll write it down. Side B of a triangle is 1/3 as long as side A. And side C is 4 inches longer than A.
So it's kind of like the other one, basically.
Yes, we have 3 things. Very good. Very much like the other one. So I have an A, I have a B, and I have a C. Now, you don't have to do this, but since it's a triangle, I'm a visual person, and I need to draw it, okay? And I don't know if you ever noticed, but everybody always draws right triangles, and this is not necessarily right, so I probably should draw it maybe less normal looking, but now it looks equilateral, but that's okay. All right, and we have A, B, and C, just because I need to see it and understand it. So side B of a triangle is...
So it wouldn't be B that we put.
So we're not going to put B for the... We're going to put A as A, okay? And if side B is 1/3 A, what do we give this one?
1/3.
Yes, 1/3
A.
A. Then it says, and...
Oh,
go ahead.
1/3 A plus 4?
It says side B is 4 inches longer than A.
Wait, you mean side C?
I'm sorry, side C is 4 inches longer than A.
So... A plus 4.
Yes. We're just done.
That's it.
Because it's not comparing C
Right,
with
B
B.
and C.
Last time,
They
we had
compared it.
Renee. Renee was compared to Carla in the last sentence. But
Right.
this one, C is compared to A.
Oh, okay.
Okay? All right, let's see if there's any more examples. There is not, but we're still going to do some more, okay? Because these are hard.
Sounds so weird, but these more complex ones are actually easier.
I think it's because you've had experience with those in the past.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
These just seem easier.
Let's try. All right, James is 2 years less than half his father's age. So we have James.
And so we'll use the variable for F for father because
Yes. And you do have a hint in there, but since we have the is, James is, we use the other one, F for father. So James is 2 years less than half. 2 years less than half. And that less than half...
12 minus 2?
Were you-
No. That's not right. 2 years less than half. So you'd have half.
Okay, we have half. Half of what?
F
Good.
minus 2.
Very good. I really think it has everything to do with the way we're writing it. Last time we didn't do it out like this, and I think that when you're going to do them now, I think they're going to be nicer. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do... I don't know if it's longer. I can't tell. So we'll do this one. The girls in the youth group number 4 more than twice the number of boys. So we have girls, and we have boys. Now, this time we don't have an is, but it's implied in the words, the girls in the youth group is, or number. So that's how we got it. And they told us in the problem in the little hint that we're going to use for B for boys. So the girls in the youth group number 4 more than twice the number of boys.
So 4 plus 2B?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, and so if you were trying to find them, we could go equal.
Yeah.
And then that's what their next step's going to be. We'll make them equal so we can solve them. Okay.
These
All right.
aren't that hard anymore.
Yeah. All right. Let's do one more. Okay. Because these are they're getting easier, but I want to keep them that way. Okay. So we've got Adam is 4 years younger than Jason, and Trent is 2 years older than Adam. So we have Adam.
So we're doing J for Jason because obviously
It said so.
and is.
And we got Trent. Now, and we have this is. Adam is 4 years older than Jason. And so that would have told us, right, with the is part there. And so we're going to use a J for Jason. So then Adam is 4 years younger than Jason.
So J minus 4?
J minus 4. Okay. So because if it's younger, then we just subtract 4 to get it. Then, and Trent is 2 years older than Adam.
J minus 4 plus 2.
Yes. So let's simplify the negative 4 plus 2.
Would be negative 2.
Yes, so
I
J
almost
minus
said
2.
negative.
So in essence, Trent is 2 years younger than Jason.
Okay.
And 2 years older
Than Adam.
So he's
Okay.
in between them. Okay. So this actually would be the part you get. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I think we got it.
Yes.
Good.